Tire failure is linked to thousands of car accidents in the United States each year, many of which could be prevented with basic tire upkeep. Hi, I'm speaking on behalf of Hensley Legal Group, a personal injury law firm based out of Indiana. I'd like to discuss how tire maintenance can help avoid car accidents. Tire maintenance is about putting in the effort to get the most out of your tires. The core elements of tire maintenance are inspection, inflation, rotation, repair, and replacement. Many tire problems are not obvious at first, so you may need to personally inspect your tires for damage on a regular basis and have a professional inspect them at least once a year. Issues that could be uncovered during a tire inspection may include tread separation, tread belt separation, uneven treads, poorly repaired punctures, mounting errors, and mismatching. After inspecting your tires, you should check their air pressure and inflate them to the manufacturer's recommended PSI, or pounds per square inch. Both overinflated and underinflated tires are at risk of failing, so it's crucial to inflate them to the correct levels. If your tires display uneven wear but are essentially intact, all that may be needed is a tire rotation, which should be conducted by a qualified auto mechanic. The mechanic could also advise you on how frequently you should rotate your tires going forward. If your tires have tiny punctures, you may be able to perform a tire repair. For a repair to be effective, you should remove the tire from the wheel, install a pre-cured rubber stem that can be vulcanized to the tire, and seal out any moisture, and use a repair unit to reinforce and seal the liner. If the tires are too badly damaged, you may need to replace them altogether. If you do, it's vital that you select the right ones for your car, because even perfect tires could fail if they're put on the wrong vehicle. After installing the tires, follow the official guidelines for how much they can be inflated, how much weight they can bear, and how fast they can be driven. With some simple maintenance and a little common sense, you can do a whole lot to increase the longevity of your tires and avoid car accidents. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if a car accident has left you struggling to make ends meet, get in touch with Hensley Legal Group, where we've been standing up for the everyday people of Indiana for more than 25 years.